Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. The 22nd annual Klingspor's Woodworking Show just ended. Love the show, comes to Hickory Metro Center in Hickory, North Carolina every year. It's one of the top shows I love going to. This year we got a goodie bag. In that goodie bag, they put a block of cherry, 2x2 by 12 and a half-ish, and with a little note. The little note is about the Maker Challenge. That's what we're gonna do. What can you make out of this? Post it to this, and you can win this. So that's pretty cool. So let's see what we can make out of this little block of cherry. Let's get busy. Well, that really was a lot of fun, and it really was a challenge. Thank you, Klingspors, for putting on the challenge. Good luck to all the people that entered. I hadn't seen any entries. This is mine, and I hope you enjoyed the process of how I got to what I made. This is actually a picture from Cades Cove in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, of it's a grain mill out in Cades Cove. So one of my favorite spots to go is Cades Cove. So I felt it appropriate to do a little shot. The design come from Charles Deering. I'll leave a link down below for that. It was just a lot of fun trying to turn this into this. And I just learned picture in picture, so I thought that was kind of cool. Anyway, hope you had a great time watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Always give a like, follow. Comments are always welcome. Always remember, be kind to one another.